Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, now let us work out some word problems in multiplication. Word problems. Okay, so I'll write the problems for you. It is the multiplication, 2 digit by 2 digits, you already know. And all we need to do, understand the problem, frame the statement, draw the column, ones, tens, 100, place the numbers before you multiply. All right? One rack in a library, has 10 books. There are 13 such racks in the library. The question is, how many books? How many books does the library have? All right. Okay, another sum. In one classroom, okay, there are two sums I'm putting up, and the second sum says, in one classroom, if one classroom has 32 children, if one classroom has 32 children, one classroom has 32 children, how many children are there? How many children are there in 12 classrooms? In 12 classrooms. That's a question. Okay. Now, first thing we need to do is learn to frame the statements for each. Now, one rack in a library has 10 books. There are 13 such racks in the library. How many books does the library have? So, what will be the first statement? Number of books in one rack. Number of books in one rack. So let's write the first one. Number of books. Number of books in one rack. Next, number of books, number of racks in the library. There are 13 such racks. So next is number of racks. Number of books in one rack is 10. Number of racks in the library, okay. Now next thing we need to do is, what is the question are? How many books does the library have? So number of books in the library, that's the last one. Therefore, the number of books in the library. How do we find that? We have to multiply the number of books into the number of racks. That gives you the total number of books in the library. Alright? Fine. Now we need to do the column. Draw the column, write ones, tens, 100, place the numbers correctly. So, we'll write ones and tens. Ones, tens, and then we'll write the number. Ones and tens. Okay, now, what is the number of books in one rack is 10. So you put the 10. Number of racks in the library is 13. So you have to multiply 10. That is the number of books. 13. The number of racks. So 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. That's what we are going to do now. So number of books in one rack, 10. Number of racks in the library, 13. Therefore, the number of books in the library, 10 into 13 gives you the answer. Now, we are going to find the answer. Now, it is 2-digit by 2-digit. You have tens and ones. Forget about the 1. When you are multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit, you take the first 1 in the ones place, forget about the second one. Now, we're going to multiply 10 into 3. 3 into 0, the product is always the 0. Then you multiply 1 into 3 is 3. Now, because we are doing the second row, you forget about the 3. Now you're going to do 1 into 0, 1 into 1. What is the first rule? First put a dash in the ones place. Now 1 into 0, any number into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. What is the next? What we'll do? We need to add the 2 rows. Okay? So you put a small plus sign here to remind you we have to add. Bring the 0 down. 3 plus 0 is 3. And you bring the 1 down. So what is the number of books in the library? Number of books in the library is 130 books. What is the answer? 130. 130 books. Okay? Now we go to the next word problem. Let's read the problem first. If one classroom has 32 children, how many children are there in 12 classrooms? What can be the statement? Number of children in one class. Second, then number of classrooms. Okay, let's read the statement first. Number of children in one class. Next statement is number of classrooms. Number of classrooms. And finally, what is asked? How many children are there? So, therefore, total number of children. What are you finding out? Total number of children. How do we find out? You got to multiply 32, that is the number of children, into 12 classrooms. That gives us the number of children. Okay, so 32 into 12 will give us the number of children. The next what we are going to do is we are going to draw the column so that we can write down tens ones before we multiply. So we write ones and tens and place the numbers correctly. You got ones and tens. And then now we place the numbers correctly. Number of children in one class equal to 32. Number of classrooms equal to 12. So we are going to multiply 32 into 12. 32 into 12. Now, what do we remember first? 3 tens and ones, we got to be very careful. 32 into 12. Forget about the 1. We are going to multiply 32 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6. 32 into 2 we have done. Next, you got to forget about the 2. You think of 1 into 2 and 1 into 3. What do we do first? 1 is in the tens place. In the ones place, put a dash. 1, 2 is 2. 1, 3 is 3. Next, what? We need to draw a line and then add these two. So you put a small addition sign over here. We go to add. So we put a small addition sign to help us. Now, 4. You bring the 4 down. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then you bring the 3 down. Now that's your answer. So what did we do? First we multiplied 32 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6. Then you are taking the tens place. Here in the ones place you put a dash. Now 1, 2 is 2 and it has to be under the tens. 1, 3 is 3 away from that. Now you add 4, 8 and 3. So total number of children. What is the total number of children? 32 into 16. Your answer is 385 384 children. 384 children. So that is your answer. So what did we learn? We learned word problems in multiplication. So we did two problems and how to arrange. First you do the statements and then you do the column, put the ones, tens, arrange the numbers, multiply the ones. Then when it comes to the tens place multiplication, put a dash and then you multiply the second number, put an addition sign, add, and that's your answer.